first gig namin for the SM for SME, yung partner ng DTI for marketing. We produce 200 boxes. 3 lang kasi kami sa production. And wala pang machinery, wala pang malalaking oven. Maliit lang talaga na La Germania na oven yung meron kami. So parang 4 na plancha lang ang kasya doon. Sabi namin, that is good for 3 days. Tapos, nung kalagitnaan na lunchtime, sabi ng dicer namin, lahati na lang yung Silvanas ko dito, pag gumawa na kayo dyan. Sabi ko, ha? Di ba for 3 days na yan? Ganyan. Tapos, sabi niya, gawa na yan. At the end of the day, wala na yung 200 boxes. Kasi we first launched this in June 2019. We sold more than 11,000 boxes of this.
Wow!
Tulong
Yun
talaga
lang yung first year or first few months?
Half.
First 6 months, 11,000 nito.
Opo.
Ng kahon na ito.
Yes.
And you were selling it at...
Nung time na yun, it's 120.
So nakabenta ka ng 11,000 boxes at magkano ito noon?
120.
So halos 1.3 million
Yes.
pesos.
Yes.
Revenues kaagad.
Ganun siya na-embrace ng Rizal at saka ng Mega Mall. Talagang malaki yung naitulong niya sa amin kasi we were able to pay our debts. We were able to invest on different businesses. Like, yung kinita namin sa Viva, we invested it in a vacation home. Primarily, vacation home lang para sa mommy ko sana pag uuwi siya from the States. Kaya lang naisip namin sayang yung
So, naka-Airbnb na.
Yes. Then, we also have Solar Rizal, wherein we install, clean, and troubleshoot solar panel system. So, we invested in robots for cleaning bigger farms.
Oo, ang galing mo, ha?
So
So kumbaga, it's that entrepreneur mindset, eh.
Yes.